Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, and today I'm going to share with you the top 5 regrets according to Brownie Ware. And I'll start downwards. So the number 1 regret is something which I'll discuss at the end. Okay? Fifth one is, I wish I had let myself be happier. And this is something which I always say. Enjoying the journey is so important. It's not only about putting your happiness on hold just for reaching that destination, achieving that result, getting that promotion, that may be a society's way to look upon success and to fill upon the happy moments of your life. But then for you, it has not to be like that. You have to command your happiness and when you want that happiness to be like. Number 4. I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. Especially in today's technological age, in this digital age, it's so easy to reconnect with people. All it takes is just a little small message letting them know that you remember them, that you know them, and you are thinking of them. And you can eventually have conversations, have effective, mature conversations, and could even plan more often. Everyone is human and everyone craves for that human touch. If you are out there giving that experience of being a human to the other person, I'm sure you will get that too. Number 3. I wish I had the courage to express my feelings. Now, this is why I always say that acknowledging your emotions, acknowledging the way you are feeling about yourself, about any particular situation, any circumstances in your life, about people in your life, it's so much important. It's so crucial. Neglecting your emotional aspect, it's only going to add up to the baggage that you will hold on in your later life. Rather than holding that baggage for so long, it's always easy and it's always better to let that emotion flow. Be free from within and allow yourself to live in the moment. Second, I wish I hadn't worked so hard. If you are only looking for that promotion and that's why you are working so hard, if you are looking for that financial gain and so you are working so hard, I would say slow down. Slow down, give time to yourself. Give time to yourself because you are also important. Your health is important. Your family, your relations, your friends, everyone is important. Yes, there are times and there are people who are in such an occupation or such a job, or maybe they are in running their own business, which when they don't have that much of time. And that's where the number 5th point where I have shared that you have to enjoy your journey more than your destination. You have to be happy in the present moment. This is the aspect, this is the one point where that particular aspect creeps in. And among these top 5 regrets, now this is very important. So please listen very carefully. Among the top 5 regrets, do you even know what is that number 1 regret as per Brownie Ware? As per what she has experienced from the patient's views of what their regrets are, most of them have a regret. And the regret is, they say, I wish I had the courage to live a life I choose for myself and not living the life that others have expected of me, that others have chosen for me. I wish. And this is what I do for myself and I ask you to do for yourself. choose your life and live your life the way you want to live. The way you want to live. Provided it's not unethical. So, when it comes to the ethical boundaries of living a life, the choices, the options, and the final decision, everything should be yours. You can take help in getting suggestions from others, but then your final decision can never be based on others' opinion. With that, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. If it has helped you, please do share your comments, your feedback, and what and how has it helped you with me over a voice message or DM me on any of the platform I'm available on. Again, the links are in the description box. Do not forget to connect with me. And till next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay self-loved.